Alright guys, today we are going to be doing a thermostat replacement on a 5.7 Hemi. This is mostly for the kids on my YouTube channel that watch my gaming. I figured you guys would like to see me work on the car a little bit. This is a 5.7 Hemi. A lot like the engines that you'll see in Forza. Not quite as powerful, obviously, but we have a lot of fun with it. After we're done doing this thermostat install, we'll take it for a test drive and rack off the pipes a little bit. We're doing this today because of that leak. You can see where it's been leaking for a while and I'm just lazy. So I'm gonna hand this off. I'll try to stay out of the footage as much as possible, but I'm sure my kid's gonna catch me in it. So There you go, Jake.
I'm the guy that always wins the races. Except for those times when I don't, but that rarely happens.
Watch out, because this car's still a little warm, and we're hoping that this does not spew in our face.
The screen turned off.
That's alright.
Okay. I'm a rookie cameraman, so I don't get paid the big bucks yet.
Alright guys, typically you just pop this thing right off, but I'm freaking out a little bit because, like I said, it's still warm, and I don't want to be, third-degree burns and all that fun stuff that comes along with hot antifreeze. So here in a minute, you'll probably see me throw a towel over this, because I'm showing you guys complete bad habits when it comes to mechanicking. Let me pop this watch off. I hate to mess it up. But 1 second. I gotta do something real fast. All right. Sorry guys, had to cover up the Place Where I Work's logo on my shirt. They're very touchy about that. Alright, so far so good. It hasn't blown up and killed us. So that's always a plus. Are you getting in there close enough where they can see this?
I can't see the screen.
Here, let me see this real quick. There you go. Just tap that top button up there and you're good to go.
If my face gets burnt off, you guys know what happened.
Yeah.
I'm sure you wouldn't upload it though.
Oh no, that's a million hits. If he burns his face off, guys, you will be the first ones to see it. Well, other than the emergency room. Alright guys, you want to keep track of all your bits and bobs and pieces, because, well, they're expensive if you got to go buy them again. Now this is a super easy install. It's actually going to take longer to edit this video than it's going to take to do this job. Now back up.
Okay, don't want to die.
This is the part where it can get hairy. Well, that thermostat is shot all to shit, guys. Like, it's really bad. All right, get in here really close. Let me have that for a second, guys. That's horrible. Like, I'm still trying to figure out how that's even working. Like, how my car isn't on fire and burning and the engines are blown up. But anyways, we're about to fix it, so happy days, I guess.
Thermostat unboxing.
Like, I'm still trying to, I'm still trying to figure out how that's still running. But anyways, here, take that.
Okay.
Let's throw this over it just for a second, guys, while we pop it loose.
Oh, dude, I'm like right in the way of this.
And we're safe. There we go.
Okay. It
All
smells
right.
foul.
Yeah, and it's low on fluid too. So let's take a peek. All right, guys, this is, once again, like I said, I'm still trying to figure out how this is even working. Well, I guess it was leaking pretty bad. Be back. Go ahead and pause the video.
How do I do that?
Basically, you have to stop. Is it red? All right. Okay, guys, we're gonna clean up this gas. Sorry, we had to go get a rag. We're gonna clean up this gasket area.
Are we doing a face reveal today?
Yeah. I mean, I don't care if you guys want to see my face. Then I guess it can happen. This is. Go ahead and look at me. This is the guy that you guys watch race all the time. Brent 65622. Can we get back to work now?
Yeah, there we go. Boom, face reveal, guys. I can use that as a clickbait thing.
All right. So, okay, guys, this is pretty nasty. We are going to clean this up. You wouldn't normally have to add Permatex to these, and we probably don't have to add Permatex to this one. I'm going to, because I'm going the extra mile in wanting to make sure that this car does not leak, because I don't like to do jobs twice. I don't like to do jobs once. So, let's get over here. Take a look at this. This is the new thermostat. It's a 203 degrees, I think. If you look at this one and look at this one, you can see the, well, you can just look at it and see. This other one was trash, guys. It was really bad. New hotness, old trashness. That's just the way it is. This is Ghetto Gasket Maker Permatex sealer. So we're gonna go ahead and slop some of that on there. This is literally almost done already, guys. Just gotta pop it here. Go like this. And like I was saying earlier, guys, probably unnecessary. But after dealing with this leak as long as I have, I'm pretty much done with it. No more leaks. So, let's just drop this new one in. That's it. Here we go. This easy, guys. Bam. Alright, oh, we got a little bit of Permatex on the Hemi cowl there. We can't have that. And guys, off camera right now, there's a Jeep sitting over there. There's actually two Jeeps. And we are going to be doing a cheap Jeep build, real life. And you guys are going to be welcome to watch. I mean, it's going to have about 5.5 inches of lift, long arm suspension, all on a budget. So there is going to be that. And I think it's going to be fun, man. I think we'll have a lot of fun doing this together, guys. You know, we might race these cars and, you know, on the computer or whatever you play on. But just know, man, that now you know how to change the thermostat. And it's not much, but it's a start. Today it's a thermostat. Hey, tomorrow we might be doing a cam, who knows? But you guys are going to be in on it.
This camera gets warm. Little tiny thing.
Yeah, and that camera gets warm because it's a cheap knockoff camera. But it works.
It does work pretty well.
Now I'm sure this needs to be torqued to a certain amount, and feel free to leave that amount in the comments section. And I'm sure I will run right back out here and torque it as soon as I know. But until then, we're just going to snug it down a bit. Well, that's being a pain. If you want to take a step back and let them see the car from the side, that'd be great. I'm sure they want to know what we're working on. It's a 2006 Dodge Magnum RT. That's good. Come on back.
I don't want to get those license plates, but I do want to get the full thing here.
And it's my everyday driver, guys. It's what I drive to work, so it is what it is. Alright guys, I think we're just about tied up here. I'm probably not going to go through filling it with fluids and everything else. I'm sure if you guys have made it this far into the job, you can figure out how to put antifreeze in your car. And if you can't, let me know. We'll make a whole nother video on putting antifreeze in. But guys, I'll catch you later. Alright guys, it wasn't fair that I brought you through fixing it without a little bit of test drive. You might want to show them out the front windshield. The side windshield's a little boring. We're gonna do a little launch here. You guys are gonna hear the exhaust, so on and so forth. Oh, traction control, my bad. Go, man. That was a hard launch. It is what it is. It's a 2006 Dodge Magnum RT. But I hope you guys enjoyed the repair video, and I hope we can do a lot more together. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.